Dude, we can't like see like.
Oh!
What? What do you see?
There's a guy right there. Just go. You'll see him go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, he's. Where did he come from? Oh my god, there's so many. Uh-oh, it's coming. It's coming. Uh-oh, it's coming. Dude, oh my god, it's on my ass. Oh my god, it's on my ass. It's on my fucking ass. Dude, he's running. He's running.
Dude, it's hitting me from behind.
Oh my god. I thought you were killing me.
Oh, dude, oh my god.
Why are you running away?
Because I'm scared. Something hit me.
Don't fucking.
Get it in there, dude. It's in there. I'm dead. Yep, it's running at us.
Where are you?
It's running at you. It's running at you.
Dude, I'm telling you, I just came out of the darkness. Dude, I just hear weird noises. I hear really weird noises.
Dude, I'm down again.
Dude! Okay. And just like that, we are back in business, brother. Welcome. Home slice is still all messed up. Oh, a deer, bro. Oh, fuck. So this one, we should hit up a cave that we can actually hit up, and we should like build like a solid base, and then yeah. Ooh, fuck, a deer. Oh god. Kelvin's pointing at something. Dude, it's just.
I'm ready.
I fucked it up. In the last video, we were trying to give Kelvin a fucking item, but he already has he has an axe, dude. Like that's how he gets logs. So I don't know why he doesn't defend himself.
Maybe he can't. Yeah. Maybe he just doesn't know how.
Yeah, maybe he doesn't know how, dude. I don't know. We should hit up the cave by spawn.
Yeah. Do you know where it is from the map?
I think it's just that. Oh god, I think it's the one that's just straight north. Or well, not north, but just straight up ahead of us. This way. Follow me, brother.
Oh, I got him. Oh, dude.
Where?
Where's the meat, dude? I don't know, dude. It's like glitching through the rock or something. It's like no meat. It happened before, too. Did you grab the rope that was over there?
Yeah, I did. Okay. Here we go, dude. Let's hit up a fucking cave, dude. And let's just... Dude, like... We just have to like just figure it out. Like we're just as if we're just in a forest. Like there's not just gonna be some fucking notification in your brain like, hey, you need to go be doing this and collecting this and doing this. No, brother, you need to figure that shit out on your own. Holy shit, who is that?
What?
Is that Kelvin?
What?
God, I just hear like, oh no, it's them. I just hear like grunting, dude, and I just don't see anyone.
Oh, he's right here. Dead.
Oh god, look at, she like died like, oh my god, deer right here.
Oh
it just,
get it. Oh my god, it's gotta be dead.
Try not to bash me with your fucking axe. Die. Dude, oh my god, did you just literally stab me?
I did not. Oh, it's dead.
Oh my god. Dude, you stabbed me. Something.
I did.
You threw your spear at me or something.
I swear I would never do that to you.
Dude, I literally got, my guy was like, ooh, and then my screen was red as hell. Like, dude, something happened. Dude,
You're good, yeah?
Yeah, we're good. I'm out of here. Need to find some water, wash off. Gotta get to that cave. Now. I hear another deer. Where is it?
Oh.
It's right here. There's multiple. Oh, dude, stop! You keep just... Imagine just accidentally just slashing your friend with their fucking axe. Oh, God. Oh, God, dude. It's just so loud. Right in my left ear.
Yeah, I heard it to the left, too.
No way they can swim. Oh, there's a fucking turtle in there. It's just like a fucking alligator.
Are you just in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, yeah, I don't want to be in murky water. This water's murky as hell.
Yeah. Imagine there's just a fucking alligator here. I will freak the fuck out.
Dude, there's some ops pulling up.
Wait, there's some stuff down here. God, gasping for air.
Dude, there's ops.
He's like, ah. There's ops? Where?
Okay, I got one of them. There's 3 of them.
Dude, it's just like, when you're in the bushes, you're like in the bushes. Like, you cannot see.
Yeah.
Dude, this
Oh,
isn't even
man,
the
I'm
beginning
missing.
cave I was talking
I'm
about.
literally missing.
Dude, I think this is the cave in the trailer? I don't know. Like when they were entering? I don't
I
know.
just got a squirrel.
Batteries.
I was rapidly swinging and a squirrel just hit it. Wait, dude, there's a ton of birds here. Let's get some birds.
Let's start a fire. Fuck. Fuck.
Whoa, what's going on
No.
top of me?
That's stupid. I'm trying to fucking... Dude, I don't want to put these in the
It's just the
ground.
deer just like so close to me. I'm like so tempted to just.
How on earth do you crack this shit?
I think you gotta
God,
be
thank
like
you.
kneeling.
Yeah, I gotta like look at the ground. It is cave time. Kelvin, are you ready?
Wait, let me just drink water. Oh my god, I'm nervous, dude.
This is our
Let me get
first
my
cave,
bags.
dude. Oh god. Oh god. First cave. Holy fuck, why is it so dark? Okay. I'm going in. Jesus. Oh god, it's fucking dark, dude. This torch ain't doing shit. This-
Press forward.
I am, dude. It's dark as hell. Okay, objective in here. Find what?
Anything.
I see. I see. They're down there. They are down there.
Oh.
Dude, like, this torch ain't doing shit, bro. Like, is it even worth it? Oh my god, these ones are, like, really... Oh my god, there's one right there, dude. Oh my god. How do you light this hoe? There you go.
I just.
Fucking bitch right here. Dude, they're everywhere. They're fucking everywhere. And they're way more creepy than the regular ones outside. Oh my god, dude. We're barely getting started. Map is 4 times as big, so is probably the cave system, see. I got it, I got it. That's one. Where's the other one? Easy, easy. Oh my god, eating arrows.
Oh, dude, there's more than one.
Uh-oh. Dude, I'm trying. They're moving. He's moving fast. I'm trying to track him. Dude, that's in his head. How is he not dead? He's dead, dude. He's gotta be dead.
FYI, what is
Ooh,
this?
bitches here, bitches here, bitches
Oh,
here.
dude, what is this?
Oh,
How
he
do I-
fucking slapped me. Help, help, help.
Dude, I can't get out of. I can't.
What are you doing?
I can't. Oh my god, I picked up this paper and I couldn't get out of it.
There's just more. Fuck, I need to. Oh my god, I need to get my fucking. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I need to get my fucking axe. I'm coming. Come here, bitch.
Oh, dude.
Die. Yeah, dude. Remember one
One's
of
behind you,
the.
one's behind you.
Remember in the last video when they fucking the other cannibals had one of these guys like tied up? God. It's so dark. Oh, I got a cave.
One down, one down. Oh god, oh god.
Dude, you're getting too close to me. I'm gonna fucking swing at you. I can't. Dude, the lighter does not give me the light at all. They really want this shit to be dark. And collect. Is that meds? Ooh, got some meds. Oh. Still gotta get used to this shit. Okay.
The bag is massive, dude.
I know, the bag is just stupid big, dude.
Oh, dude. That was so funny.
Okay, dude, did we crawl through that? What is this? It's looking like, the torches are, like, unlimited. FYI, this is what we're looking for. Photo.
Yeah, dude, it's like... Well, if I come over here, this kind of looks like gold. I don't know. It looks like there's some workers here.
Yeah, that looks like gold, alright.
What is that scraping
it's
noise?
so dark. Come on.
Okay, please.
It's just dark. You wanna...
Lead the way.
I am. Is that a fucking thing right there?
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's more workers. Oh god, that's scary.
Holy shit. Oh my god, is that a thing? Is that a thing? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh, it is a thing, it is a thing, it is a thing. Come back.
What is that?
It is a thing.
Is that?
Dude, move out of the way.
Dude, okay, wait. It's just blocking the way, I think. I'm almost certain it's just blocking the way we need to go. Alright, just send an arrow into it and
I'm gonna try.
see what happens. I can barely fucking see. Get close enough to even see it. That did. Oh my god. It's awful.
Oh, dude, it's gurgling.
Dude.
I'm gonna just try shoot it with an arrow
Shoot
and
it.
see what happens.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's not doing anything.
Oh no.
Oh, dude, I hope I'm not wasting arrows. Okay, you know what I'm gonna...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Let me try the spear.
Maybe it's just a blockage. Or I just collected 2 time bombs, I think.
Oh, dude, it looks so gross.
Move! Get out of there! Okay. That'll do. That'll do the trick.
It sure will. Alright. Let's get in there.
Yeah, here we go. Oh my god.
What?
It's just loud noises. It's just so dark, dude. They're just gonna lunge. They're just gonna lunge from the darkness. I know it. It's so...
Keep your guard up. Keep your guard up. Dude, we can't, like, see, like...
Oh!
What? What do you see?
There's a guy right there. Just go. You'll see him go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, he's...
Dude, run back. Oh, dude, they're coming out.
Dude, I think there's like multiple. Oh my god.
He's following us. He's following us. He's on us.
Dude, kill him, dude. Get your axe out.
Dude,
he's right there. Yo, fuck. Dude, kill him.
Dude, I'm
literally
out of
fucking scared. You're out of here. What do you mean? We gotta go down there. Dude, he didn't let one guy chase us out of there. Oh god, dude. When I tell you, like, it was just so dark. And then he just like just panned into my perspective.
Oh, dude, he's right here.
Oh. Dude, they're just like way more creepy in the cave. Like they're like a different race. They not catch fire. Oh, there he is. I just took a shot. Oh, I'm getting tired.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let's try this one more time. If we fail, then we'll go back.
Okay. Oh, dude, I hear it. I hear shuffling.
Wait, let me get my bow ready.
Yeah, okay, wait. I'm gonna.
Come on, here we go.
I'm gonna try this thing out. Let's just.
My bow is drawn.
Okay, it looks clear. Are you behind me?
Yes.
Okay, we got one bogey in front of us. Okay, I'm pulling up.
Oh!
Oh, dude, it's one of those. Oh,
Oh! Where did he come from? Oh my god, there's so many. Uh-oh,
Dude,
it's coming, it's coming.
back up.
It's coming. Dude, oh my god, it's on my ass, oh my god, it's on my ass, it's on my fucking ass. Dude, he's running, he's running.
Dude, it's hitting me from behind.
Dude, it doesn't have like a head, so you can't just kill it in one shot. Oh, dude, these things are insane. Dude, it's coming. Oh,
dude, so bad.
I'm one shot, I'm 1 HP. I'm 1 HP.
Dude, it's behind us. It's still behind us. Oh, dude, do we need better gear? What are we lacking?
We're probably just suck ass right now. Is it still coming, dude? I need to pop a fucking med or something. Dude, this is bullshit. Like, we gotta get some. Okay, we're gonna get some rest. Loot up a tad bit, whatever that means. Because we kind of just have. I don't know what else we're gonna get. Like, I feel like. Yeah, we can like look around more in the forest, but. I want to conquer. I want to like find something.
Do you have a lot of sticks? Bring a little sticks. Let's set up a lot of fires so we have light. Cause it's dark as hell.
I know.
Is it dark outside too, dude?
I think so, dude. And we're probably so far from the thing.
Oh, Calvin is just napping away.
Calvin, you don't even know what you missed. This is fucking you. Like, he's just chilling.
Dude, can we get a shelter going, like, ASAP?
Dude, yeah, we should kind of build maybe over here, because there's just, like, a lake and a lot of deer over here.
Yeah, build it wherever, dude.
Oh, dude, there's a lot of cannibals out here. A lot. I see 4 at least. I'm just gonna get into the water.
I can't see... Oh, I can't see anything.
There's no way... They're coming in the water. There's just no way they can. Dude, they're swarming us around. They're all around. They're on all sides. They're on all sides, bro.
Should we just go back in the cave and set up camp there?
Dude, we can't. How are we gonna build it there? Imagine if there's alligators. This would be fucked.
This is a pond, dude. We should be doing. Dude, okay, I'm going back in the. Oh my god, I'm going back in the cave and I'm gonna chill there. I'll just like pass out on the floor or something. I can't see
anything. Dude, he's chasing you. He's chasing you.
Oh my god. In the cave. Oh dude, something is in the cave.
Really?
No, dude, I was gonna say if something was, it would freak me out. I got a ton of cooked food. I can give you some.
What was that?
Dude, I don't know how to like
Dude, did you not hear that?
No, I didn't. I didn't hear anything.
Alright, I'm gonna check outside.
I heard Chuck Norris was so tough.
Oh, dude, it's light outside.
Oh.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it does. Looks like it's just a beautiful morning.
Yeah. Dude, let's build here. This is a nice spot.
Yeah, let's build a shelter.
Oh shit, it's right here. Are they coming out of the caves? Oh shit. Oh my god. Come on. Dude, no.
You dead?
No, dude, I'm just missing all my arrow shots on this thing. Oh, there's just deer running past me and shit. Oh my god. I thought you were Kelvin.
Oh, dude, oh my god.
Oh my god, that thing just came out of nowhere. It just sprinted out of nowhere, dude.
Destroy a tree, dude?
Dude, that thing is fucking strong.
Oh, dude, it's wrong. Oh my god, it sprinted at me, dude.
I think it's...
Oh, how are we gonna deal with this? Oh.
Oh my god, dude, he doesn't care. He didn't care about me swinging at all, and he just ran through me. Run, dude, run. Just run. Am I down again? Just run, just run. Dude, he won't let me get up. Oh my god, let me up. Go, go, go. Yes. Oh god. Oh. 3 times. No, he's gonna kill Kelvin. Dude, this is horrible.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down.
Dude, oh no. I'm just gonna come in for the quick res. Just the res. Dude, it is running. Barely got you.
Oh, it's
It's
dead.
down. Oh my god. Oh shit, my bad. Let's see what we get for this. Just skin. Oh, that creepy armor. Nice.
The mutant thing.
Oh, it's like all the way on the right. The bottom right, below the sticks.
Oh.
Oh, I'm on this deer. I'm on this deer. Dude, I'm on this deer. It's still running. Yeah! Oh my god, I literally was sprint jumping after that thing. Down the fucking hill. Got it, dude. Dude, come over here. Help me build this.
Oh, build what?
This thing right over here.
Oh, that's massive.
I know, let's get to work, dude. Kelvin?
I need
Gather logs.
food. Dude, okay, now that I have food, dude, now that, you know, I can get started. Dude, the leaves are turning orange for sure. Dude. That means it's autumn. That means it's gonna be winter
Yeah, dude,
soon.
the seasons changed.
Oh, you really are getting to work.
Dude, is there someone on me right now? Oh my god. Like,
Dude, the whole building
really?
just collapsed. Oh my god.
Really? The whole building? What's going on? I'm dead as fuck.
Oh, dude.
I literally went in this shit for half. Oh my god, dude. Are you fucking serious? It's because of this thing. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, it just completely destroyed our shit. Like, what the fuck? Oh.
Yeah, dude, I'm ready to
Oh,
go.
dude, I got the stun baton.
Wow.
Right over here. It's just over here.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We got this. Oh god, it's whoever leads is just fucked.
There's another fire right here.
Dude, we should just walk together. How's that? That
Yeah, I'm
way.
right behind you.
No, dude, like side by side. Oh fuck. Careful, dude. Nice. Fire does the trick. Can't see shit, dude. Why are you running away?
Because I'm scared. Something hit me.
Don't fucking.
Oh!
Go, go, go! Dude, dude, there's no way we're gonna be able to just take it down right here, are we?
It's gonna be tough, dude. It's gonna be... Oh my god, it's...
God, I can't see the shadows. Oh, homeboy is here. Light him up. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna blow his ass up. Fuck this. Wait, dude, watch out.
Get it in there, dude. It's in there. I'm dead.
You're
I'm
dead.
dead. It pounced me, dude. It pounced me.
I threw it. Watch out. Get out of there. Explode. I think I can. It should be. There's no way it should have survived that.
Oh my god.
That was at its
Where
feet.
Where is
It should be dead, dude. Right here. It's right here. Oh god.
Dude, there's hanging people here. It's the construction workers. This one's eating it. Oh, it's another one. It's another one. It's another one.
Fuck.
Dude, let me try and hit this with a fucking Molotov cocktail.
It's coming in hot. Holy shit.
Oh, I'm supposed to light it before I throw it.
Come on, nail it, bro. Light it up. It's just cooking. Come on, that's gotta be something. Okay, watch out. Okay.
I think it's down.
Oh, dude,
Nice.
it just fucking... it just, like, squirted out just purple shit. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
You see it? Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh.
What? I
That
don't
is...
see.
We haven't seen this before.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. It's crawling on the floor.
It's joined together. There's like... Dude, what do we do? It's probably... What kind of...
Oh my god. So we gotta axe.
Yeah, I'm coming in, bro. Oh my god. Watch out. Oh my god. Easy, 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 easy.
Oh.
Oh, dude, it's a little bit more manageable than the armor. The mouth.
Oh, I'm so low.
Is that its heartbeat that we're hearing? God. Okay, nice. That's gotta be it, right?
Is it dead?
Yes. Oh god. Dude, it's just... I'm just not even gonna put on my armor for now. Okay, look at this, dude. What the fuck? Look at this, dude. Like, what does this mean? Like, someone's in a box and there's people around it? Like, trying to get in or out or what? They're watching him?
Oh, I don't know.
Watching
Dude.
him
Maybe
trying to
they're
get up.
sacrificing?
Maybe they're... Yeah, dude, maybe they're sacrificing him.
Oh, dude, babies.
Oh, no, that's not good. Dude, they're like way more fast. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're way more deadly. Dude, there's another
dude, there's another one.
There's another one.
There's another doubler.
Oh god, it's coming in hot too. Dude, fuck, dude. Oh my god, it's faster than me.
Dude. Oh.
And he just doesn't care. He just
He's on
doesn't
fire.
care.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude. It's hurting me. It's hurting me.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I need to nail it in the head. Oh, dude, nice. Oh, nice. Okay, not too bad. We can press forward a little bit more. Just onward, onward, onward. Torch, make it even more scary. Fucking hell, dude. The babies are deadly as fuck. God, oh my god, the space is really open and big over here, dude. Like something's just gonna fucking be here. The babies are just on us, dude. They're fucking just chasing us. Dude, the torch makes it worse. Oh god, I hate it.
Dude, maybe the loot is like right here.
Lots of gold or whatever. Dude.
No, I'm
what?
so sorry.
Why? Why?
I tried to hit the. Oh my god, I almost hit you again.
Like, you're gonna kill me, and I just used a med, so you fucking waste my fucking med. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that never happened. I'm just gonna pretend my best friend didn't just slash me across the back with a fucking axe. Dude, it is dark, dude.
Oh, dude, there's another one of those things.
Where?
It's about to attack me. It's on the left side. Yep, it's running at us.
Where?
Oh.
Where are you seeing?
It's running at you. It's running at you.
Oh, dude, I'm telling you, I just came out of the darkness. Dude, I'm tired of dealing with these things. They're so tough.
Oh my god, he's running.
It is so fast.
Oh my god.
It's chasing. It's just chasing. It's just hunting. And we're its prey.
Dude, can I get up on this rock or something?
Oh, impaled the bitch with the fucking spear. Help! I can't see shit. I keep impaling him. Give me my spear. No, dude. I impaled it 3 fucking times. The spear is really good. I am fucking throwing my spear into it over and over.
I think it's dead.
No, dude. It's not, dude. I need my spear.
It downed me.
Holy shit, it's gonna fucking down me. This is not good. I can't see shit. So fucking... No.
Are you dead?
No. This thing needs to fucking die. There we go. Oh my god. Dude, you gotta just truck your spear at shit, dude. It like impales them and they have to like take a second.
Okay, I'll keep it in mind.
Okay, onwards, dude. We can go onwards. This place is massive. I can't see a thing either. Like, is there something big in here?
Probably.
Dude, like already? Like this is the first cave we've been in. And like this is literally the first cave we've been in. I saw like I saw 3 more around the area.
Oh, dude, I'm dead. It almost got me. Oh, dude, there's 2 of them.
Dude, what are you, dude? I just hear
Oh my God.
weird noises. I hear really weird noises.
Dude, I'm down again.
Dude,
There's so many.
dude,
There's so
it's just,
many.
dude, you need to get me up and we're out of here now.
I'm
We're
dead,
out
I'm
of here.
dead already.
You're
I'm
dead?
dead.
No.
I'm dead. Are you dead?
I'm dead, dude. If you see this, oh my
Dude,
god.
if you see me, bro, I
No,
run and it was right there.
no, dude. If you saw me, no, dude. All of us, dude. Like when I tell you, dude, like there isn't like oh my god, oh my god. We're both dead, aren't we? You're gonna have to call it there.
Dude,
That's
we're
the
both
video,
dead.
dude. Oh my god, dude. Okay, so in the next video, dude, we're just gonna have to come up with a new plan for this because this is just insane. It's oh my
Dude.
god,
We're still in the cave. Where are you?
dude, I'm dead. I'm like, where are you?
Oh, respawn. Case to have better.
Oh god, where am I? I'm just like,
Oh, dude, you can see me right now.
Ew. What did they have me in?
Dude, it was like, you know that monster when you kill it, it like squirts out that goo.
Yeah.
It looked like a cocoon of that hailing from the ceiling.
Good lord.
We need a way to light up shit, and we need like Molotovs, bro. We need Molotovs. We need like flaming arrows. We need like weapons. We need like pistols.
Dude,
You
what
know all
if the
the
pistols are
shotgun
down
ammo?
there?
We need these shotguns.
Alright, dude. It's been lovely. It's been absolutely lovely.
It's been a great time, Lems. Looking forward to playing with you another time.
Alright, Birdie. Birdie Bertlen. Bird ass nigga. You bird ass
Okay, take care,
motherfucking bitch ass
guys.
Beatty
Wait for
Bertlen.
the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.
You know, just like, comment, subscribe. You know, whatever.
Don't
all
forget
that
to
fucking
smash that
bullshit.
like button on your way out.
Dude, easy. Like you're acting as if you don't have a fucking blade in your hand.
Doing it itself.
All right, that is episode 2, brothers and sisters. This shit is fucking so fun and so intense. If you fucking y'all gotta get this shit, y'all. It's only fucking $30, and yeah, we're literally still just getting started. We still don't even know shit, dude. We don't even know, like, we're just gonna have to fucking figure this shit out. So, we're gonna have to see y'all in the next one. Peace, nigga.